I have been driving for over 30 years, and I honestly thought I knew every trick in the book. But it turns out your car has hidden factory features and simple DIY fixes that detailers and mechanics hope you never find out about. After decades of working around cars, I still see careful veteran drivers handing over their hard-earned cash for problems they could solve with what is sitting in their kitchen right now. Good, experienced drivers are getting overcharged simply because the auto industry hides the right information. We are talking about avoiding those ridiculous $150 shop minimums every time you pull into a service bay, or paying $80 for a detailing trick you can do yourself for $1. Over time, these hidden charges easily drain over $1,000 from your wallet. Stick around until the very end, because the last trick I'm going to share is a $5 fix for a rough engine idle, a problem that mechanics routinely charge $150 to repair. Let's dive in with hack number 7, which will completely change how you handle bad weather. Hack number 7, the potato windshield fog prevention. You have been dealing with this for years. The temperature drops and suddenly your windshield fogs up completely. You crank up the defroster and wipe the glass with a rag, but 5 minutes later it is foggy again. It is incredibly frustrating and dangerous at night. Here is what the automotive chemical companies hide from you. Condensation happens because moisture clings to microscopic pores in the glass. Expensive anti-fog sprays from the auto parts store simply lay down a thin hydrophilic barrier so water cannot stick. You do not need a $15 bottle of chemicals. Go to your kitchen and grab a raw potato. Cut it in half and rub the wet side all over the inside of your windshield using firm circular motions. The natural starches transfer onto the glass. Let it dry for 1 minute, then buff it clean with a microfiber cloth. Those starches create the exact same invisible barrier as the premium sprays. Moisture simply cannot condense on the treated surface. For 50 cents, your windshield stays crystal clear, visibility remains perfect, and you never have to blindly wipe your glass while driving again. That trick saves you a few bucks, but this next one will stop you from handing over $80 to a detailing shop for a problem that is not even real dirt. Hack number 6, the baking soda tire restoration. You wash your car every weekend, but your tire sidewalls still look brown, dull, and covered in an ugly film that just will not scrub off. You take it to a detailing shop and they offer a premium tire cleaning package for $40 to $80 to make them look pitch black and brand new again. But here is what they are not telling you. That brown film is not actually dirt. It is called anti-ozonant. It is a chemical built directly into the rubber that slowly pushes to the surface to protect your tires from cracking in the harsh sun. Detailers often use heavy-duty acidic chemical cleaners that strip this protective layer away entirely. It looks good for a week, but it actually dries out the rubber over time. Instead, go to your pantry. Mix plain baking soda with a small amount of dish soap and water to make a thick paste. Apply it generously to your tire sidewalls using a stiff scrub brush. Work it in with firm circular motions and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then just rinse it off thoroughly with a hose. The mild alkaline abrasion in the baking soda gently cuts through the brake dust and the oxidation layer without damaging the rubber compound underneath. Your tires come out dramatically darker, and the original black rubber is fully restored. Plus, any tire shine product you apply afterward will absorb better and last twice as long. You just did an $80 detailing job with a $1 box of baking soda. If you thought keeping your tires clean was an expensive hassle, wait until you hear how much detailers overcharge to protect your clear coat from the summer heat. Hack number 5, the dryer sheet bug removal. You have just returned from a long summer highway drive. Your front bumper grill and windshield are completely plastered with dried bug splatter that is baked in the hot sun. Regular car wash soap and a standard sponge simply will not get it off without heavy scrubbing, which easily scratches your clear coat. The detailing shop will gladly charge you $40 to $80 for a specialized bug and tar removal service. What they do not tell you is that bug bodies contain highly acidic compounds. If left alone, they literally etch into your paint. Detailers charge premium rates because drivers assume it requires harsh professional chemicals. You do not need their solvents. Simply take a standard laundry dryer sheet and soak it in warm water. Gently wipe it directly over the dried splatter. The unique texture of the sheet, combined with the fabric softening agents, instantly breaks down the acidic bug proteins. The residue lifts cleanly off the paint without leaving a single micro scratch. A $5 box of dryer sheets gives you dozens of fast cleanings. That trick protects your exterior paint. But our next hidden feature is sitting inside your cabin right now, and it prevents hundreds of dollars in electrical damage. Before we look at the next hidden feature, if these tricks are saving you money, a quick like helps CoreCar reach more drivers who need this information. Now let's keep going. Hack number 4, the hidden wet umbrella storage. You are driving home in a heavy rainstorm. You get in the car and you toss your soaking wet umbrella onto the passenger seat or the floor mat. You have done this for decades, but leaving it there creates mold, mildew, and that persistent musty smell that never seems to leave the cabin. What they do not tell you is that moisture does not just stay on the surface, it seeps deep into the seat foam and the carpet padding. Even worse, modern cars have crucial electronic control modules and wiring harnesses mounted directly underneath the front seats. When that water drips down, it causes hidden corrosion. One day your power seat stops moving or an airbag light turns on simply because of a wet umbrella. You do not need to buy expensive waterproof seat covers. Almost every modern car actually has a dedicated factory-built umbrella slot. Check your front door panels on the lower section or feel along the base of your front seat tracks. Manufacturers install a narrow, drainable channel specifically designed to hold a wet umbrella, so the water drips away safely. It costs you absolutely nothing. Your interior stays completely dry, and you prevent a $200 to $600 electrical repair bill down the road. That hidden feature saves your interior, but I am going to pause for a second, because how I actually learned to look for these hidden features completely changed the way I look at cars. Back when I consulted for a local delivery fleet, they were losing thousands a year on unnecessary interior electrical repairs. I sat down with their veteran drivers, guys with over 1 million miles under their belts, and showed them this exact factory feature. They thought I was joking. That one tip saved the company $5 grand that year. It is amazing what we overlook. Let's keep moving. Hack number 3, the factory floor mat anchors. You hit the brakes and your floor mat slides forward, bunching up under the pedals. It happens all the time. You keep pulling it back, but it just slips again. The dealership will gladly sell you a new set of premium locking floor mats for $80, claiming your current mats are worn out. But here is what they do not tell you. Unsecured floor mats are a massive safety hazard. They have been known to physically jam accelerator pedals wide open. Because of this, manufacturers were forced to build a permanent anchoring system directly into the driver's side floorboard of almost every car made in the last 15 years. Dealerships just conveniently forget to show you. You do not need new mats. Run your hand along the carpet directly in front of your driver's seat. You will feel small plastic anchor posts built into the floor. Now look at the base of your existing floor mat. It has corresponding holes. Line them up and press the mat down over the posts until it clicks. Your mat is now locked in place permanently. It costs $0 and it eliminates a major driving hazard instantly. That keeps your feet safe. But our next trick prevents a stiff gas cap from triggering a fake check engine light. And keep watching, because right after that is our $5 engine idle fix. Hack number 2, the WD-40 gas cap fix. You are driving, and suddenly your check engine light pops on. You take it to the shop, the mechanic reads an emissions leak code and quotes you $150 for a diagnostic fee and a brand new gas cap. Here is what they are hiding. Modern cars have sensitive pressure sensors in the gas tank. If fuel vapors escape the system, triggers the check engine light. But usually the rubber seal on your gas cap is perfectly fine. The actual problem is microscopic corrosion and road grime building up on the threads of the fuel filler neck. When those threads get gritty, your gas cap clicks and feels secure before it actually makes a tight seal. Do not pay for that diagnostic test. Take a standard can of WD-40 and spray a small amount directly onto the gas cap threads and the inside of the filler neck. Turn the cap back and forth several times to dissolve the grime, then wipe it clean. The lubricant removes the friction, allowing the cap to turn smoothly and seal completely. Drive for a day or two, and that engine light will shut off automatically. That $5 can just saved you $150. That trick prevents a frustrating false alarm. But up next is our final hack. The $5 engine fix that mechanics charge a fortune for. If you learned something new today, drop a quick like, because this final hack is the one almost everyone misses. Hack number 1. The $5 throttle body fix. You have noticed it for a while now. You are sitting at a red light and your car is idling rough. The steering wheel is vibrating in your hands. When you press the gas pedal, the engine hesitates and feels sluggish. You finally take it to the shop, and the mechanic diagnoses a dirty throttle body. They hand you an estimate for $150 for a professional fuel induction cleaning service. Here is the secret they absolutely do not want you to know. The throttle body is essentially the lungs of your engine. It is a round metal tube with a butterfly valve inside that opens and closes to let air in when you press the gas. Over thousands of miles, sticky black carbon and hot oil vapors bake onto the inside of this valve. It becomes completely choked with heavy, thick grime. The metal flap gets stuck on that buildup. Because the engine is starving for clean air, it struggles to maintain a smooth idle, and it hesitates when you try to accelerate. The professional throttle body cleaner they use at the shop is just a petroleum-based solvent. They mark up the price of the can and charge you a massive labor fee for a 10-minute job. You do not need to pay them. With your engine completely off, pop the hood and locate the throttle body between your air filter box and the engine. Take a standard $5 can of WD-40, spray it onto a clean rag and wipe around the inside of the metal tube and the throttle plate itself. The petroleum solvent in WD-40 instantly dissolves that baked-on carbon. For heavier buildup, spray a little directly inside and use a soft brush to scrub the deposits loose, then wipe it entirely clean. Let it air out for a minute before starting the car. Your engine will immediately pull in clean air again. It will start instantly idle perfectly smooth and accelerate with zero hesitation. That single $5 routine is exactly why my personal truck just passed 387,000 miles on the original engine, and it has never needed a major internal repair. You can do this in 10 minutes, and you permanently eliminate that expensive service call. How many of these hidden tricks did you already know? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If this saved you even one expensive trip to the mechanic, subscribing to CoreCar is absolutely worth it. Every video we make keeps your money in your pocket. But before you go, there is one more thing most drivers get wrong. CoreCar's next video covers the fuel myths quietly costing you at every fill-up. It is right here. Do not miss it.